Another country. You know they're from another country. Ha!
I see two blacks and they're like, oh nah.
He logged right off his shit. Let's see. Yo, nobody saw their face on this bitch.
Give us something good. Give us something good. Oh, you said you wanna. All right, I can take you there.
Yeah.
That's all you gotta do. Say that one time.
Yeah. What's the name of that song? We should play that real quick while this shit going. Damn, that shit going stupid up there.
It's called. What's the Balenciaga's called?
I know he has an L in his name. It's something L.
No, that's Y&J, but that song is called
Balenciaga Runner?
Triple S's.
Triple S's.
Oh, so you want to?
Okay. I can take you there.
So you gotta do is say that one time. Okay.
Yeah. Big on here. What he said? Why he talking? Ain't got no ears. Ain't got no ears. What the fuck? Keep calling me on my name. Ain't got no ears. Yeah. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, he's snapping.
All that time I spent doing nothing, gotta make up. I just left my bitch, oh man, that's a break up. All you wanna see me pop off, shake up. All I want is some ramen noodles, put the steak up. Get to throwing money in the club, they gotta rake up. See, like my best friend start hating since I came up. Nigga thought that I was done, thought I came up. Nigga tell a story in this rap shit.
Gained up.
Could've done it for the game winner, but I ain't up. Bitch call me cheating, damn, I played dumb. Bitch tried to send me her location, but I ain't.
Yo.
Yeah.
What's the vibes?
Hi Blake, how are you Blake? How are you?
How we what? I know you didn't say nigga.
I gotta hear that un-American shit, man. English. I hear that wall is terrible.
That was horrible.
Terrible color.
How she ain't got no ass? Yo, it's really like a weird apple
Hey
here.
man, just looking for.
Yo, what's good, little man?
Yo.
Hey yo, does your pedal van, does it do wheelies?
No way. You hunt? Do you hunt?
Yeah.
No way. Let me see what you've caught before. Y'all got it hanging up on the walls?
I'm not at my house, but here's a one.
See,
That's
I
my
fucking
friend's.
knew it. I knew it.
But I got a bigger one than him. Shut up. It's actually really big. It's
Where's
like,
your friend? Let me see.
I don't have it on me. It kind of sounds fake.
What's good, boys?
There's my friend.
Kyle, what's up, man?
What's up, man? You guys look cool as fuck in there, bro.
Cool as fuck.
Let me guess. You have a twin-size bed that's like made of like wood, like a log cabin.
It's actually a full. But
No way.
What the fuck?
But it is made out of wood.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Did your dad make it himself?
I think. Yeah, I think.
No
fucking way. No way.
Sick as
I've
fuck.
had it for a long time.
No, that's
Sick as fuck.
clutch.
Sick as fuck.
That's clutch as fuck.
Sick as fuck, dude.
No way. Yo, so like now what, you know? What you boys up to?
You guys want to like trade Instagrams or something?
Might as
I don't
well.
have Instagram. Yeah, neither do I.
You guys seem like a couple cool dudes, you know?
You guys want to hang out sometime?
No, it's weird.
It's cool. Let's go. We're black. We get
All right, we get it. It's cool.
We're
Whatever.
Negroes.
It's not even that.
No, bro. We get it.
No, I mean, you guys are super cool, but
No,
it's
we
like
get it.
whatever,
It's
you
like
know?
we might rob you. I get it. We're black. It's cool. You guys enjoy yourself, man. Have a good night. All right. Thanks, Sugar Plum.
What the fuck?
Hot Cheeto
Look
chicken
at him.
sandwiches. Oh,
You missed it. What is that?
hot Cheeto chicken sandwiches.
I'm gonna their balls off and
I want to see how you react to it first.
I love it. I eat it every day. I make a cookie for me every day.
Oh shit.
Dude. What's up, nigga?
What's up?
Shut down, fam.
Shut down, fam. Hey.
Boss.
How are you?
Where y'all from?
Iceland.
No way.
Yeah.
Yo.
What's good?
What's good, boys?
What's up?
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Yeah.
Come to him.
Get them out of here now. Jesus Christ. This is like the best thing they ever created for real, bro.
When you're
Talk to strangers, bro? Yeah, facts.
Not when you're like a 10-year-old. Like
Yeah, that's just weird.
gullible.
Yeah. What the? Yep, you know they're getting out of there. Yo.
Dude, look like Lil Yachty so hard.
Tough.
You know it. What's
Yo,
the
dude.
vibes?
Yo, tell me this, my boy. Do I not
What's up?
exist on this goddamn app?
Is that actually Lil Yachty, bro?
What the fuck? Yo, I don't exist on this app, bro.
Holy fuck, that's Lil Yachty, bro. What? Nuh-uh.
Nuh-uh.
Bro, you trying to hear my music?
Yeah. No. I wanted to I wanted to sign him, bro. Fuck.
Hey, Tony, pass me some drink.
Oh my god.
Pass me Mountain Dew.
Oh shit, I'm not getting off here until somebody says my name. I swear to God.
What's gonna happen, bro? The red one.
Boy,
The
what's
red
good,
one.
bro?
The red one.
Big ups.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, that was funny. I'm not gonna lie. These kids killed. Oh shit. Hey, Urkel. So wait, you eat that every day? You got addicted to it over a while, huh?
It's amazing.
Hey, what's up, cuz?
What's good, blood?
What up?
What up, cuz?
How many years you serve in the army?
Alright, shit, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, who put you down, bro? So whoop, so whoop.
Yeah. Yeah.
Slack.
Yeah.
Hey, be honest with me real quick, bro. Who put you down?
Yeah.
Who y'all big homie? Who y'all big homie?
My big homie.
Right there, that's him?
Yeah.
Oh, big up, blood.
Boy, you wouldn't step on the ball, boy.
Oh, shit, yeah, get him out of there.
Yeah.
He said, what?
Fucking nerds.
I hate this shit. Free naked chat girls. Yo.
Oh shit.
Just say
Wait, what the
Druski.
fuck?
Just say Druski, please. Do you know?
This for real?
What the fuck, man?
Tell me who you see.
Who do you see?
Little Yachty.
That's right.
Yo, does the world know me, bro? Do I exist in this fucking world?
Not on this app.
Not on this goddamn
Maybe on fucking
app.
Instagram, but this is my world, bitch.
Yo, this shit is weird, bro. Yo. Nah, this shit fire though. I ain't gonna hold you. I gotta do this with the boys.
That's not enough for you?
No, I gotta get with my guys, you know? Huh? Daddy's calling again.
Pick it up, bro. You're out past bedtime. You just want to make sure you come home tonight. You staying out.
Oh shit, Little Yachty.
What the fuck?
No way.
Rick Owens. Oh, no.
No way.
Pause that.
You did ass?
Dead ass, bro.
No, you joking.
Dead
Nah,
ass.
you joking. You joking.
You joking. No, you joking.
Bro, what the fuck? This is random as hell.
Yeah, it's random as hell. We got on here random as hell.
Wait, what you doing out here?
We live out here, bro.
Yeah, we live on Omegle.
Bro,
Bro
what?
said, what are you doing out here? Like we live on the fucking internet.
Bro, what the fuck?
Nah, this is pre-recorded. Y'all download his new album.
What? I bet. I got you.
Yo, I'm on live right now. I'm gonna call you right back.
No way. What the fuck?
No way. Yo, we got him again. What the fuck? How do we keep running into the dude?
Fucking racist.
New bitch, she got long hair.
Like Byron Glass, you know?
Here you go. Fuck. Yup.
Yeah, nigga, you can't get away.
Nigga.
Yes, sir, nigga.
Nigga. Wait.
Yeah, you see it. Yeah, you see it. You know who it is.
That's him?
Yeah,
Wait, did we just talk to him
Yeah.
or no?
Actually, you?
it's really me. And y'all going on camera for saying the N-word. So show your face. Show your fucking face, white boy.
We
gonna
already saw
blast.
you.
That's right. That's what I thought. Nigga. Who the nigga now?
Top nigga, head nigga. You nigga, faux nigga.
G.I. Joe nigga.
Yeah. Where this nigga from? Detroit.
Damn, I lost somebody that I love too. Damn, I had to get it out the mud too. Damn,
I'm high as fuck off drugs too.
I'm in the club, make it rain, make it flood too. Fuck, off-white designer got the off-white rug too.
Yeah.
Looking at that off-white plug too. Bad bitch say me.
What the
That
fuck?
bitch say,
Motherfucker, I don't love you.
Yeah, this a whole different like ass world.
Bitch say she listen to my music, I show love too. Oh, you was the plug in the
What's
city.
good, too? Hey.
I can look.
Yeah. Hey, love, too. What the fuck? Wait, you're not even old enough to be drinking.
Yeah.
What are you drinking?
Motherfucking bud, nigga. Huh?
Vodka.
Vodka.
How old are you? You can't
You
drink.
ordered from Russia.
You're drinking
I said
vodka?
I'm 19.
That's not old enough.
That's definitely not old.
Wait, where you from?
I asked. Scotland.
Scotland. Scotland, mate.
Scotland.
Y'all say mate? They say mate?
Wait, what did y'all, what is the legal age to drink there?
18 to drink here.
18?
18.
Oh, shit. Where do you think we're from? What do we look like we're from?
Where do you think we're from?
If you say Africa, I swear to God.
We thought you were gonna
America.
say. We thought you were gonna say Africa.
We thought you were going to say Africa. How'd you know we weren't in
I
Africa?
think I was to Jamaica. Like, cause of your hair. Like, you like.
Because of whose hair? You better get a grip, white girl. Because your hair. Bitch, you better. Finally.
Yo,
Who do you see? Who do you see? Who do you see?
Yachty, we're big fans.
What the?
He wasn't even in the
Camera at first.
Yeah.
He wasn't even in the camera.
It's all right,
Fuck.
bro.
Yo,
Daddy chill.
I get no love, bro.
Daddy chill.
This shit is amazing. Oh, this guy again. We seen him. He just stares at you. Okay.
He's gonna shoot something.
Is the chat fucking with this? Y'all fucking with this in the chat? Let us know in the chat. Just go crazy if y'all fucking with this.
Can I put my big cock in you?
Well, answer.
Well,
I'm a girl.
Girl, you quiet. You almost
you
got
need to
us.
go to bed.
You almost got us.
You need to go to bed.
I'm about to go to bed.
What the fuck?
I'm.
Yeah, that's
She
good.
was underage.
Yeah, that was weird as fuck.
If I wasn't here, would you have stayed in that?
No, hell no. No.
But you're crazy.
Look at the
You're
chat.
crazy.
Yo. Yo. A 10.
Turn around and die.
Turn around and die.
Okay, wait. Do you know who I am?
No.
Where you from?
The UK.
Is he?
How
Is
old are you?
Lil Yachty not popping in UK?
That's what I'm saying. Am I not like a thing?
He's done a show out there.
A few of them. Do you listen to rap?
Not all the time.
Who's the rapper? Name the top 3 rappers you know.
None.
You're racist.
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
I'm not.
No, you have to be.
Have to be. Yo!
Connor.
Is that Lil Yachty?
Yeah! Yes!
Oh,
Yes!
Yo, this shit is like blowing my mind.
Where are you from?
England.
Yo, these people know you like worldwide.
That's what
This
it
shit is great. It's Reese's Puffs, ain't it?
Have a good day, brother.
It's Reese's Puffs.
Reese's Puffs.
Yo, funniest shit I seen all night. Yo, what up, man? You googly-eyed bastard bitch. Get the fuck up and go to bed, idiot. Oh, look at this guy, bro. Look at it.
What's up, man?
What's up, Pops?
What's up, dude?
What's good? Yo, your ceiling's leaking, you
Oh,
fuck.
that's okay. That's gonna be all scraped off, dude.
Respect, man. You're enjoying life. I can't be mean to
You
you.
mean like R-E-S-P-E-C-T?
Yeah, he
Find
still
out what up
thinks-
means, please.
Yo,
Marina, God bless
It's
her.
not New Year's,
Love you,
idiot.
brother. Love you.
This is, you just said New Year's, dude. This is from New Year's.
Die.
No shit.
Die.
What's good? Well,
Why are you guys looking like that?
Because we hear
Why
your
you looking
voice,
like that?
baby. What's your name?
My name is Alina. What's your name?
I'm
how old are
Tyrone.
you, Avina?
I'm 18. How are you?
No, you're not. You're 17. And you're
17 and
18
you're
soon.
lying.
You're
Everybody
lying.
did the same thing.
You're fucking lying.
Why y'all think I'm lying?
Where you from? Where you live at?
Because you got the lights off. You're supposed to be in bed right now.
No, it's my little sister sleeping. That's why I got the lights on.
Y'all share a bed?
Where do you live, man?
I'm Jersey.
Oh,
My girlfriend lives in Jersey. Well, she lived in Jersey until I kidnapped her and put her in my basement. Yo.
He looks like Travis Scott.
oh my god. We gotta get out of here now. Yo.
What's
Yo.
up? Yo. That's right. Who do you see?
Who do you see?
Who you tell us who you
Tell us
see?
who you see,
Tell
bro.
us who you see.
Little bull, man.
Ah, nigga! I'm like 50 and over right
This
now.
shit is crazy, bro.
I'm like 50
I think
and
I have to do like overseas shit. Like I have to start doing like overseas comedy. and
Something,
shit,
I
bro.
don't know, something.
Something's got to change.
No one knows who you are.
If he knows-
Get off this app. You've been on here too long.
If he don't, no, I think they just looking like.
Oh, shit. That's not the same way.
No, fuck
You
no,
wanna say
that's
what?
not. They all do the same shit. bro.
Raj, my brother.
What's good, brother?
Raj.
Respect.
Love. Dope.
They all do the same shit on this app,
Dude.
bro.
Sure.
We were black.
Yo. That a puppy?
Lil Yachty.
What's up?
What's up, Lil Yachty?
Ain't shit.
Yo, who else you see, big bro?
Can't complain.
I don't know yet.
That one little fat nigga. Bro said, I don't know yet. Yo, this shit is crazy. Yo, this shit is crazy. Yo.
Y'all.
Nope.
You.
Is that a head?
Turn around and
Can't
nine.
even tell what that was.
We're gonna rock out to that 12% die.
I'm telling you.
Yo,
Yep.
dudes. Look at this.
Look at this dude. Typical niggas gonna say that. They said it's okay, Druski. Druski ain't international. Fucking right. Oh shit.
Whoa. Oh my God.
What's up, man?
What's up?
Go ahead. Tell us how you feel
You
about
can
it.
show your face, man.
Yeah. Tell us how you feel. Yeah. That's right.
That's how I should count. That's up.
At least it's not Dick.
Hi.
What up, though?
Not that much.
Does anyone in the car know who I am?
Or me.
No, who are you?
Oh. Where y'all from?
California.
Oh shit.
Y'all don't
Now
listen
that's
to-
big disrespect.
Y'all don't listen to rap music?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I listen to Justin Bieber.
You guys never heard of?
Not Justin
Why?
fucking Bieber. What the hell?
Hey, yo!
Who do you see?
Nah, that's not him.
Who?
Oh my God!
Wait, who?
Please,
Who?
I'm begging.
Who?
Druski.
It's not you that will make me a sandwich.
That was disappointing.
Wow.
That was disappointing.
Wow.
That was disappointing.
What's up, dog?
What y'all listening to over there, buddy?
Ray Dub?
Hey, turn that shit up, cuz. Yeah. What are you drinking, man?
Hell yeah.
A little bit of that hardcore bullshit, eh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Down it there. Put it there. Put it
Put it
there.
there. Put it there, buddy.
Put it there.
Yeah.
You doing 12 fucking
Take care. God bless, man. Love Jesus.
Great guy.
He didn't give us a chance, bro.
That was quick.
She said.
See what the streets talking about. These kids will do the darndest things, bro.
What's up, Shotty?
What's good, man?
Good.
You got
What the fuck?
I couldn't stay on it with children.
Yeah. It's too weird. It's too weird.
bro.
Yo.
Don't start screenshotting, bro.
I'm not screenshotting, man.
What's up?
Is that actually you?
Who?
What the fuck, bro?
Yachty.
You know
Damn
it. What's the deal?
This shit is wild, bro.
Ain't no way. You know Balin?
That's my cousin.
You did good, bro.
You know Dalen?
Linking up with the right people.
Balin.
Oh, Balin Levine.
Yeah.
Great guy.
Facts. I watch all his videos.
He's a great guy. Yeah, love that.
Yeah. I respect both of you because you guys are humble.
God bless you.
Facts.
You have a good day.
That was actually great there.
You too.
I get the fuck out of here because you don't know who the hell I am. Didn't stand a chance.
Sucks.
Didn't stand a fucking chance.
No one's gonna sign you in here, bro.
Holy shit. So you telling me we're about to get out of here and not a goddamn soul knows who I am?
All right, we're trying. We got 7% left.
Yo, what the fuck, bro?
We got 7%.
Yo.
What the fuck got on Nintendo DS?
Say you are my baka. Say you are my baka. Say you are my baka. Say you are my.
That's nothing but the devil. Ain't shit but the damn devil right there.
Ah!
Ain't nothing but the damn devil.
He knew exactly what I was saying.
Whoa.
Butter chode. What's up?
Yo.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
You know it's me.
That's right.
You know it's me.
No fucking way.
Yeah, it's me.
That's awesome.
Were you about to shoot me?
No, I fell.
Sweet.
I'll put that shit over here.
Sweet.
Sweet. How many guns y'all got, bro? God damn.
No,
Y'all strapped up over there. What y'all about to do?
We're just chilling. I just cleaned it.
Y'all about to take out a target or something?
Hell yeah, we got that shit set up.
Of course you guys are fucking vaping. Of course.
Hey, yo, bro.
Hey, I saw your shit with Mario Judah. I fucking died.
Thank God.
One. There you go. You got one.
God.
Hey, nobody knew who he was. You guys were the first ones to know who
Yo,
he
all
was.
right, now what's my name?
How long you been on here?
No. Fuck that. What's my name?
Oh, dude.
God. It doesn't count. Yo, what the fuck?
Wait, y'all don't know his name?
No.
Yo, y'all know Mario Judah's name, but you don't know mine?
That's crazy.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, it doesn't even count. Yo, it doesn't even count, bro. This shit don't count. Oh, hell no. He needs a tan.
He needs his ass whooped.
For sure.
Oh, fuck no. No. All that shit. Keep that shit over there.
They all do the same.
Why so
do they
lonely?
do that, bro?
That nigga look so lonely.
They all do that.
It's you again.
What, you was on here?
No? We didn't have her?
What?
Wait. We didn't connect before.
We did. You skipped me.
No.
I was vibing with the dance. I was about to show my face and you skipped me. Is that okay? No, wait.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Well, we're friends now.
It's okay.
Big respect. Get the fuck out of here.
Bro, she was nice as fuck.
Hell no. This guy has a neck. What the
Wait,
fuck?
Pause,
Not on that though.
Bro, pause.
You look like Lil Yachty. You're Lil Yachty.
Slap!
Lil Yachty.
And only Lil Yachty, right? No one else.
Who else you see?
Hold up, is that really Lil Yachty?
But I'm saying, who else do you see though?
my
Yo, what the
God.
fuck? Hey!
Fuck.
Who else do you see, bro?
I don't know you, bro. Hey, are y'all like, is he like a sidekick, Lil Yachty?
No, bro, he's no one. Fuck him.
What the fuck?
Yo.
This is blowing
Yachty, listen, bro.
Okay.
So, in art class, right? I did an album cover for you, bro. You wanna see?
Let's see. Wait, you must have been on here looking for me.
Yeah, I was. You wanna see?
Yeah, sure.
So I basically made like a little album cover out of like paper, and then I had to like take a picture.
Wait, how do you get on with somebody? How does she do that?
No, you just keep fucking
Oh, keep
spinning
tapping
until you
it.
catch
Yeah.
a nigga.
Oh shit.
Is that Doodle Bob?
Yeah, it is.
That's sick, bro. Sick as fuck.
Thank you, bro.
Bro, sick as fuck.
Bro.
Take
I
this.
just want to.
Guess it's just me, guys. Now they have no choice but to know it's me. What's up? Big fan, huh?
I know it's you.
You're a big fan?
A big fan? No, I don't know you.
Fuck, bro. Like, seriously. You're a bitch.
Should I be?
You're a bitch. Shit, this is really fucking me up right now. People are just, oh yeah, of course, I get the fucking video check girl. The porn video check girl. Yeah, thanks. Let's see what else we get here. Oh, they know who I am. They know. What up, boys? Yo! Cut that shit down, man. I know y'all tripping over there. Damn. Well.
Pretty that?
Well. Damn. What do we do with this?
Just put it on him. Put it on this nigga. Hey, bro, what the fuck you doing, bro?
They said, why'd that scare me for? Yo.
Computer died, bro.
Computer died, man. Well, that's the end of the stream today, boys. We had a lot of fun with y'all, man. But this shit's a dub. Boy, I thought you was a dub.
We're gonna sign out, man. We love y'all. Vote, bye.
We're gonna do this shit tomorrow, man.
No, we're not, bro.
W stream, www.
You're not coming back.
Oh, they going stupid. They going stupid.
Yeah, I'm gonna hope that video say we were supposed to end it before the computer died.
Bruh, fuck.
Because I was screen recording.
I swear.
Yeah.
Hey, they'll save it. Up to them.
Alright, cool. I'm gonna cut that shit up and make motherfucking TikTok.
Yeah.
Schlick.
Schnitty.